What's up guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove the sound from a video in Canva PC. You can either mute it or lower it or increase it. I will show you that as well. So the first thing that we have to do is to bring our clip to the timeline. Then we are going to click on it and we're going to go to audio tools. Let's click on it, and as you can see here we have the extract audio function. We're going to extract audio, and to remove it we're going to click on these three dots and we're going to delete the track. And now we're going to have no audio in the video. I'm going to go back a little bit, and now I will show you how to lower or increase the volume or even mute it. Now we increase it, and as you can hear, I will remove this one because I want to. It's more louder, and also we can lower it, or we can even mute it like it is now. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.